This is a 80% TKL layout. It has 87 keys. And then we have the 3 different connectivity modes. So we'll go to the top of the keyboard, or we can choose from the 3. So we have USB, we have the Bluetooth, and we have the 2.4 gigahertz dongle connection. So this can connect up to 5 devices and you can switch between them. This is incredibly useful if you're between laptops, desktop, tablets, and maybe even a phone. So you do get the pre-lubed Cocoa Cream V2 switches. Pre-lubed meaning that the internal parts of the switch are pre-lubed. Just gives it more of a creamier, smoother feel when you're pressing down on the keys. These are linear switches, so there is no bump in these, so it's a smooth bottom out.